Hello everyone, my name is Narendra. Today I am going to talk about environment protection. The environment is everything around us like trees, plants, air, water, and animals. A clean and healthy environment is very important for human life. Um, Today, our environment facing so many problems such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. These problems are increasing because of human activities, and we should protecting the environment by planting more and more trees, saving water, and reducing plastic use, and keeping our surrounding clean, and in short, even small step can make a big difference. If we protect nature, if we protect the nature today, so future generation will live a better and healthy life. So in short, protecting the environment is not only the duty of government, but also responsibility of everyone. Thank you.